Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models. The Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker, known for its chewable nugget ice, and the Igloo self-cleaning Countertop Ice Maker, a budget-friendly option that produces traditional bullet ice. We'll delve into their features, performance, and what sets them apart, helping you make an informed choice for your ice-making needs. The Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker produces chewable nugget ice, often preferred for its texture and ability to hold up in drinks. In contrast, the Igloo Ice Maker creates standard bullet ice, which is more common but less satisfying for those who enjoy the crunch of nugget ice. This difference in ice type can significantly affect your drinking experience, especially if you enjoy cocktails or soft drinks. When it comes to pricing, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker is positioned as a premium option at $189, reflecting its advanced features and higher ice production capacity. On the other hand, the Igloo Ice Maker is a budget-friendly choice at just $87, making it accessible for those looking for a simple ice-making solution without breaking the bank. In terms of daily ice production, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker excels with a capacity of 34 pounds per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or regular use. The Igloo Ice Maker, while still efficient, produces 26 pounds of ice daily, which may suffice for smaller households or occasional use. This difference in output can influence your choice based on your ice consumption needs. In conclusion, both the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning Countertop Ice Maker have their unique strengths. If you prioritize chewable nugget ice and higher production capacity, the Antarctic Star is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a compact, budget-friendly option, the Igloo Ice Maker is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.